Lumayaking.
Dumajogging si mama mo. Kampiyon siyang ano, katahong kaguluwa ang mga big rocks. Ano ni siya ganing nga lugar? Diri
Castle Hill.
Castle Hill, diri ni gin-shoot ang
Chronicles of Narnia.
Chronicles of
Narnia kag
Narnia.
Bookworm.
Bookworm.
Tapos ang Manila ka ng Lord of the Rings.
Arita sa South Island of New Zealand. Ano ni nga town or city?
Castle Hill.
Castle Hill. So the three ladies are up ahead. Alexi, Dina, Miss Dina, and Joy-Ann. Truly the workmanship of the Lord is breathtaking. We're on top of this mountain here, South Island of New Zealand. Just rocks and boulders. Yeah, top of that hill of that mountain. Amazing. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
So explore ta, like, then explore ta.
My son-in-law, John Anthony, and my daughter, Alexi, dancing on top of a big boulder. Here on Castle Hill, South Island, New Zealand. Look like crazy. They're far away from me. Let's continue this 360 degrees video. Look at the size of those great boulders. Yeah. Day Joanne, please. Our videographer, photographer, our sponsors in coming year.
Wow! Hala ka nami! Dali lang videohan ta ka muda ka nami. So dili ka lang. Wow! Hi! Wow, muda ka.
So sa Otsinday Alexio, she's only 12 and a half years old. 12 and a half years old, but she's already 5 feet 4 inches tall. Grabe. Imagine, no? We are so far away, maybe 80 kilometers from Christchurch. 80 kilometers away from Christchurch just to go up this great mountain. So again,
Hindi ka mag-jump, Day.
we would like to greet our family, friends, church brethren, and neighbors in Bacolod City, another part of the country of the Philippines. Glory be to God for bringing us here. Glory be to God. Kari ka mo diri mga abyan.